machining, welding, polishing.
Boarding, because you...
It all starts in the shaping department. Here, stainless steel bars are transformed into case blanks through a series of stamping operations. To begin, a metal worker feeds a stainless steel bar into a hydraulic punch. 40 tons of force punches out the center holes like a hot knife through butter. Next, the metal worker uses the punch to cut a rough blank of the outer case. Then, the blanks move through 15 different stamping machines, each further refining and perfecting the case's shape. Light ovens heat the cases up to over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This further strengthens the steel and makes the fractures and breaks. The next step, C machines take the stamped blanks and mill cut any complex shapes and drill fine holes for parts like the crowns or winding knob. After that, welding. Every Chronomat is certified to a depth of 1,640 feet below the surface. To ensure a waterproof case, every part must be attached perfectly. Apply a paste containing a piece. This melts the metal and creates a permanent bond.
Les lunettes, c'est vraiment la haute technologie.
It's really high tech, and the people that you work with.
Avec les personnes avec lesquelles on travaille.
Now for one of the most important steps, polishing. To get the luxurious brightening look and shine, every experience. Press with too little force and the case remains dull. Press too hard and you destroy the shape. Do it just right and you get a sophisticated, dazzling shine. Last, make up the Chronomat's case. The super hot, the steel back. Finally, the steel rim surrounding the crystal called the bezel.
In 1989, its rotating gears counteract the effect of gravity on timekeeping. A special tool is used to press the watch's hands onto an axle at the center of the watch. The watch will be encased with 18-karat gold bezels, sealed from the elements with rubber rims. The middle casing is now fastened to the mechanism before the installation of the winding stem and crown is completed. The bridge for the auto winding system is then lubricated. A parallel groove pattern is then engraved onto it. This engraving adds visual interest to the bridge, making this luxury watch look as good inside as it does out. The bridge has been set with jewels. It's ready to be installed at the center of the watch. The jewels will prevent the parts from rubbing against each other, causing wear and tear, while adding to the luxury look of the final piece in the process. The rotor that will be attached to the bridge is now engraved. The rotor will automatically wind the watch. It's a signature piece that can be customized to each customer's taste. The rotor, now complete with personalized engraving, is ready to be secured to the bridge. even the slightest movement will cause the rotor to oscillate. This action winds up the main spring of the watch.
Finding the perfect steel for our watch cases was just one more challenge. We found it. It's called 904L. A steel so incredibly difficult to machine that special equipment had to be built. Only one watchmaker would consider using it. Rolex. To ensure lasting beauty, Rolex demanded a steel with maximum resistance against corrosion. Previously used only in the chemical industry, 904L easily met these demands. Virtually indestructible and highly polishable, 904L's quality guarantees the perfect brilliance of a Rolex watch case. Which helps explain why, at Rolex, we treat steel as if it were a precious metal.